your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome my friends. My name is Larry Baronis and I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. So, those of you that are new or may have stumbled over my channel, I'm asking you to, hey, subscribe to my channel while you're here. Hit that subscribe button. Bam, bam. And while you're at it, you might as well just hit that little bell. And it's going to notify you when I put up a video. So, let me kind of explain something here. I'm totally a different type of reviewer. I have my own ways, my own thing, how I do reviews. I'm not the serious type reviewer, but my reviews, I take them serious. But I like to have a lot of fun with it. I like to put a little serious part of me in there and a little bit of the fun part in there and kind of put them together like you're making a popcorn ball. So, now, let me inform you folks out there what's going to be happening soon. I'm going to do something a little bit different that I've never done before. You know, we've done I think, the 3 favorite pens, isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, you've done top 3, top 5, top 10, and a top 13.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm thinking about doing a top 10, a top 5, and a top 3. And I think you're going to be kind of surprised the pens I'm going to choose. And I've been going through my mind of which pens that are going to make the list. And you may see some pens that I've reviewed before, and you're going to wonder, well, why aren't they on that list? Well, I can't put all my pens on the list, and so it doesn't mean that I don't love those pens. I just had to pick some pens out to make this list. It's really hard for me to do this because I like all my pens. My $1.49, 99-cent ones up to my high end, you know, so, but hopefully you'll be joining me, and I'll do my best to explain my reasons for it. But remember, this is just me picking it and what I like. And then, so, I'm going to have some honorable mentions. Got the hand thing going on. Da 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 da. I like them all over the place. All right, calm down. Wow. Well, that was the trip and never leave the farm, right? Yeah, I will have my honorable mentions. And I'm also going to pick my pen cases as well in journals. Ha! That's new. Yep. I'm going to pick you, as far as I'm concerned, the best journal and an honorable mention and the best pen case. So that's how I'm going to flow this time. So, and it's been tough because I've been through a lot of incredible journals, paper, tablets, pen cases, and just because I may not pick the one you think I should pick or the one you like, that doesn't make it bad. But for me, it just kind of worked for me real well. I just kind of, you know, it felt good, that certain journal in my hand. So maybe you might understand where I'm coming from, maybe you don't, but hopefully you can understand where I'm coming from, because there's just so many, out there. I mean, there's a lot of great ones out there. And I think it's really hard for anybody just to go out and say, this is my favorite. Because today could be my favorite. Next week or next year, I could have another one that's going to be my favorite. Kind of move on. Well, that's going to do it, folks. Hey, check out the Beatles, right? That's what's happening, my friends. So, folks, thank you for joining me today. You guys rock. You guys are amazing out there. And thank you for your support, for hanging with me through all these years. That means more than you know. Take care, my friends. Peace and love. Follow the rules and stay safe so you can be around for a long time and your friends and families. And please, don't pick up your phone while you're driving and do this, texting. Because, what you're doing is you're putting your life at risk and you're putting other people's lives at risk. And the reason why I keep mentioning this at the end of my video, because I see so many people doing this at the light, and the light's already green, and you have cars honking at them. Or you have people driving, and they're doing this. Here they're driving like this, and then they have their phone, and they're texting like that. Wow. Or they may have it on the steering wheel driving and texting. That's dangerous. And then on top of that, I've seen people, while they're texting, run red lights. And they're a block away, and they go right through a red light, almost hitting, other cars. And I've seen a few wrecks already, people doing this. One lady was doing this. She was driving, doing that, and bam! Right in the back and hit a truck. So, that's why I always keep saying, don't text and drive, because it's that serious now. It's getting worse. So, folks, thank you very much. And that's going to take care of it for today. We're out of here. Peace out. Bye-bye.